In this Leadmonk review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this scheduling tool. If you have any questions, please comment them below, and I'll also leave a discounted link so you can always get your money's worth for Leadmonk. Leadmonk reduces no-shows with a flexible, mobile-first scheduling tool. Once you've logged into Leadmonk, the first thing that you'll need to do is link up your email. So whether that's Gmail or Outlook, the first thing you'll need to do is just link your email. As we can see on the home screen, 2 meetings that I've got have been shown here, and we've got the duration and what they are. You have the options of copying the single-use link or copying the link as a whole, as well as viewing the page as well. So what we can also do is click on create. Here we can choose to create a one-to-one appointment type, group appointment, collective appointment, or a round robin. So I'm going to first do a one-to-one. Here we can set the appointment name, our description or instructions, the duration of the appointment, the location preferences. So you could do this in person, or you could do this on Zoom, or Google Meet, or Teams, or Ask Invitee. The invitee can book an appointment providing email, mobile number or email, or mobile number and email. So I'm going to go for that one. We can then set our URL as well, so you could type in here whatever you want. I've just got mine as test for now. And we can also set the appointment colour. So I'm going to go for blue. Once we're happy there, if we go ahead and click on save, and if we go back onto home, we can see our test meeting shows up here. Now you could also do this for a group appointment, again where you can set the appointment name, the instructions, duration, and then we can set the maximum number of invitees per slot. And you can then tick yes or no if you wanted to display the remaining spots on the scheduling page. Again, we can set the location, the invitee to book an appointment providing, and select our calendar, URL, and colour. The same goes for a collective, where we can add hosts, click on submit, and appointment invitations will be sent from the organised calendar. This is the same with round robin. On home, we do also have view booking page, where if we click on there, we have the view of what our booking page will look like. Okay, so you can select from short meeting, 30-minute, or we've got our test there. If we click onto there, we can select the date and the time. Below home, we also have scheduled. This will show any of our upcoming appointments. Obviously, I don't have any upcoming appointments, so there's nothing to show there. We can set it for upcoming and past appointments, show active and show cancelled. We can also filter this by the appointment types, which is set to all, but you could search in here for a specific appointment type, search by attendees, clear filters, or export the data. Below there, we also have availability. We can first select a profile, so it's automatically set to work week, but we could add a new profile and set that there. Below there, we also have the profile details. So we have the availability profile name. You can edit that name. In use by 3 appointment types, short meeting, 30-minute meeting, and test. Set our time zone, our available times weekly. So if you work the weekends, you could set them and set the dates you work from. You can also add specific date availability and any unavailable days. Below availability, we also have integrations. Here is where you can integrate specific calendars. So you could add Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and iCloud Calendar. You can then add video conferencing, such as Microsoft Teams or Zoom, webhooks and connectors, such as Zapier and webhooks, payments, such as Stripe and PayPal, and sales and CRM, such as HubSpot. Below there, we also have settings, which has got our profile information, our calendars, branding, notifications, admin management, and billing and subscription. It's worth noting as well, there's also a resources section, which has a get started, which has a guide on Leadmonk, as well as a what's new that will tell you any new features for Leadmonk. We also have a menu at the top where you can view your profile, click about, share app, help center, or refresh. And that's pretty much everything. So what are my thoughts on Leadmonk? Leadmonk made it super easy to schedule and host your meetings. I love that you could set appointment types and have full control over your availability on the booking page. I think Leadmonk could come in handy for many businesses, and I would definitely recommend. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.